Hello guys, welcome to a new video that is on math previous year questions. Math previous year questions is actually important for you to solve and you still have a lot of time for solving this year's math exam which is on December. If you want to know more about math examination, kindly go check my description box where I have mentioned 360-degree on math exam, and I have also told that syllabus on math exam. Today we'll be mainly focusing on non-mathematical questions. So mathematical questions again we'll be putting. This video will be approximately part 1 and part 2. Then again you'll be putting, I'll be putting videos on mathematical skills where you can prepare for your math exam really well. So let's quickly, hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Let's quickly get into the video. So in a queue, Kashish is 5th from the left and Mona is 6th from the right. Okay, so Kashish is 5th from the left. So initially you can fix the from left means you can fix, which is basically from this side. If there are a number of students from left, we can fix the number. Okay, but in when it is from right hand side, that is a problem. Why? Because the number of students is not known, so we have to be sure. We cannot be sure of it. So first, initially, let us fix Kashish position as 5th position, because 5th from right left means 5th position. Mona is 6th from left. We don't know number of students, right? So Mona is 6th from left. We have to assume the number of students as many. We don't know. Now, when they interchange the places, Kashish becomes 13 from left. So already Kashish was 5th from left. Okay, they interchanging the places. So basically if I see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, let us assume 18, you will be knowing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Okay, so when I see this 18, so initially Kashish was here. We assumed Mona's position is 6 from what? 6 from right hand side. But after that, Kashish is 13 from left. So this is already 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So he's 13 from left. So his place was 13 from left. So Kashish was initially here. After interchanging, Kashish went to the side. Now when you check, Mona should be 6th from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, she was initially in the 13th place. Okay, now Kashish went there. Now you can see the total number. Now you can guess it is 18. I hope you understood. Okay, suppose if it was 5 from right hand side, it should be just total number should be 17. I hope you understood. Okay, now what is the position of Mona from right hand side? So Mona's position, if it is exchanged, her position will be here. So 1, let me just highlight 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Her position is 14th position from right. That is your answer. So I hope you understood. This is the question and this is the answer. Now let us go to the another question. Next question, if the numbers are from 1 to 45, which are exactly divisible by 3 and are arranged in ascending order. So let me write those numbers. So if I'm writing those numbers, this will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, then comes 33, then comes 36, then comes 39, 42 and 45. Okay, numbers are from 1 to 45 and they are arranged in ascending order. I have arranged it. The minimum number at the top, with the minimum number at the top, minimum number is at the top. So they are arranging in such a way that first is 45, then the minimum number is at the top. Okay, which number would come at the 9th place from the top? Okay, which number should come? Suppose this is the first number. Suppose, for example, see, this 3 is the first number. Minimum number should be at the top, and which number would be at the 9th place from top. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th and 9th. So your final answer will be 27. So that will be your ninth number. Why your ninth number is 27? Because your first number, minimum number, is at your top. Okay, the 3 is first. That's why we are counting from 3. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let us go to another question. So which letter will come in the 9th place? Which letter would be the 9th letter to the left of 9th letter from right? If the first half of the alphabet is rearranged. So let me write the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here, so what is the, half of the number? Okay, let us see that. So there are 26 numbers, which means from A till M, the numbers are reversed. See, the first half of the English alphabet is reversed, which means I have to write from M it is reversed. So it will be M, L, K, J, I, H, G. So is it J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Then comes N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is how the number is arranged. Okay. Now, which is the 9th letter to the left of 9th letter from the right? Okay. So 9th letter to the left. So basically you have to find 9th letter from the right. Let me find 9th letter from the right. So basically this is right hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, from the right. So 9th letter from the right. So this is right hand side. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 9th letter from the right hand side. So 9th letter to the left of 9th letter from the right. Okay. Now if you find 9th letter from the left will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this E is your letter. So your E is your letter which they are asking. I know this is a bit confusing, but if you read the question properly, you will be able to understand it. So that's all for today. If you find it more interesting, comment below and go check my part 2 video. Definitely will be there of this question. So go check it, which will come day after tomorrow. On Monday, it will definitely come. So yes. So if you find it interesting, comment below, and also comment below if you want a mathematical skills previous year question paper on mathematical skills related questions that was asked in math previous year questions. Okay, so this is asked in 2022 or 2023. I'm not sure of it because I haven't noted it down, but 2022 and 2023. Okay, so yes, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.